Mars' average distance from the Sun is roughly 230 million kilometers, 143 million miles, and its orbital period is 687 Earth days. The solar day, or Sol, on Mars is only slightly longer than an Earth day, 24 hours, 39 minutes, and 244 seconds. A Martian year is equal to 8,809 Earth years, or 1 year, 320 days, and 2 hours. The axial tilt of Mars is 25.19 degrees relative to its orbital plane, which is similar to the axial tilt of Earth. As a result, Mars has seasons like Earth, though on Mars they are nearly twice as long because its orbital period is that much longer. In the present-day epoch, the orientation of the north pole of Mars is close to the star Deneb. Mars has a relatively pronounced orbital eccentricity of about 0.09. Of the 7 other planets in the Solar System, only Mercury has a larger orbital eccentricity. It is known that in the past, Mars has had a much more circular orbit. At 1.135 million Earth years ago, Mars had an eccentricity of roughly 0.002, much less than that of Earth today. Mars' cycle of eccentricity is 96,000 Earth years compared to Earth's cycle of 100,000 years. Mars approaches Earth in a synodic period of 779.94 days. Earth orbits the Sun, the closest to Mars orbit around the Sun, and Mars' orbit is the second closest to Earth after the orbit of Venus. Therefore, their closest approaches, the inferior conjunctions, are the second closest for Earth after those with Venus, and the closest for Mars to any other planet. The gravitational potential difference, and thus the delta V needed to transfer between Mars and Earth, is the second lowest for Earth and the lowest for Mars to any other planet. While transfers can possibly be optimized with Venus flybys,